Hello, how's everybody doing today? My name is Richard Hudson. I'm coming again with another video on life insurance. And today I'm going to talk about life insurance and what it can do for you. And the topic that I'm using is life insurance creates cash at a discount when you need it. I'm going to say that again. Life insurance creates cash at a discount when you need it. Today I'm going to try to educate. I'm talking to all of you that have been looking and thinking about getting a life insurance policy, looking to buy and don't know where to go, don't where to start, and don't know how to go about doing it. And today I'm going to go over 10 concepts that when you go speak with a life insurance agent or a life professional or financial advisor, these are the 10 concepts that they should address when they are designing a policy for you. And these are the things they should discuss with you to give you a better idea of what you're getting and why the life insurance policy is needed and what it's for. So the first concept I'm going to go over, and I like to always tell people, don't buy life insurance. Just don't buy life insurance. Buy what it can do for you. This is one of the main concepts that I think everybody that's looking for life insurance or had an idea or was thinking about buying it, they should think about it. And when they're buying life insurance, they should look at it at like this. Just don't buy just to be buying it. Buy what it can do for you. There is some misconceptions, and we've always been told that life insurance, when you buy, you pay a premium, it's expensive, and you can't afford it. Maybe sometimes you think that, or when I die, I leave a death benefit to somebody like a loved one, a beneficiary. But today I'm gonna tell you that there's other things that you can do with it. That's why I say just don't buy life insurance, buy what it can do. And the death benefit is one of the benefits, but that's not the only benefit. And I'm gonna go into what are the other benefits shortly. The second one, the agent should always, when they talk to you, they should pinpoint a problem. It's obvious that you need the insurance for whatever financial problem, whatever life crisis you may have, anything, maybe, life throws a curveball, you might need it for anything, emergencies, but they should pinpoint a problem and exactly explain to you, and you should sit down with them and they should go over different designs and different ideas on how they can address that problem. The third thing they should do when they pinpoint the problem is that they should create ideas for the problem. Come up with a policy that's designed to address that. The fourth thing they should tell you that, and I like to tell people, I like to tell clients and people that see me, is that when you buy insurance, you're getting pennies to get dollars. Pennies to get dollars. That's the fourth concept. What do I mean by pennies to get dollars? So, for example, when you buy a life insurance policy, say your premium is like $500 a month, you have a death benefit of $2 million, so to speak, and say your cash value is like $250,000. The pennies is the premium that you're paying monthly to get access to the dollars. That's the cash value that's in the policy. That's $250. So sometime you paid in it for a couple of years or whatever, and the cash value grew to $250,000. The premium is the pennies you're paying to have access to those dollars, that $250,000. That's what you're paying, the premium. That's pennies getting you access to dollars. That's one of the concepts they should explain to you, and I like to explain to my clients and people that ask me questions, not just clients. People come to me for educational, reasons. They want to know what they want to get more educated on life insurance. So I tell them this is one of the concepts that I tell them, that it gives you access to dollars. You pay pennies to get access to dollars. The fifth thing is you get access to discounted dollars that's tax-free. The agent should be also telling you and explaining you that the purpose of this policy is to give you access to discounted dollars. That goes back to when I was in my last video I did a video on how to become your own bank and borrow from yourself. That's what you're doing when you pay a premium. Pennies to get dollars, you get access to discounted dollars that's tax-free. Bottom line, plain and simple. The sixth concept is living benefits, like I was talking before. That is the other benefit besides the death benefit, that you get access to living benefits. That can consist of paying your kids' college tuition, paying off your student loans, paying your credit card debt, You may be going you may want to go on that family vacation or etc. Anything you want to do while you're living, you have access to discounted dollars that's tax-free. That's one of the living benefits besides the death benefit, which is a benefit because when you die, you leave money to your children, maybe your siblings, whoever, whatever loved one you pick to be your beneficiary. That lump sum, if it's $3 million, whatever, is tax-free, it goes to your beneficiary. That's the death benefit. But we're only taught that that's all you get from life insurance, and that's not so. So I'm here to show you, break down these concepts to let you know what life insurance can do for you, not just buy it for the sake of buying it. And I like to go into, like, a lot of people have the misconception, because I like to say, you have insurance on your cell phone, you have insurance on your car, you have insurance on your house. You have to get insurance on your car, and you have to have full coverage, or you won't be able to go out the showroom with it. But we have insurance on all these other material things and gadgets, but we don't have life insurance that can give you access to discounted dollars that's tax-free, and you have a living benefit. Look at it as like that. You're paying a premium to have access to money that you can use whenever you want to. The seventh concept is that you must understand that life insurance is a contract. What do I mean by that? Buy contracts that guarantee you discounted dollars. That means that when you buy a life insurance policy, it's a contract between you and the carrier that whether it be New York Life, be, Prudential or Nationwide or Omaha, Mutual of Omaha, all these big, even all these life insurance carriers, when you sign and you apply for a life insurance policy, it's a contract saying that they are guaranteeing that you're going to have access to tax-free dollars or access to money if you pay your premium. That's the contract. You pay the premium, you get access to this. I guarantee they're promising when you die, your beneficiary is going to get this amount. That's the guarantee on the contract. It's binding. They have to honor that if you do everything that you're supposed to do and you don't violate the terms and conditions. When that time comes, the death benefit goes to your beneficiary. Also, you have access to the living benefits during your life while you're paying the premium into the contract. So that's one of the benefits of it. Make sure you buy contracts that guarantee discounted dollars. That's what you do when you buy life insurance. As I said, the title of the video is Life Insurance Creates Cash at a Discount When You Need It. Remember that. The eighth concept is life insurance is to ensure you have a better life. That's what I coined, that phrase I came up with, because when I said life insurance, everybody looks at life insurance as something that they want to stay away. It only gives me, when I die, I got to give it to somebody or beneficiary. But no, life insurance should be coined. Life insurance ensures that you have a better life while you're alive. Living benefits. You see? So life insurance should be looked at as something that ensures you have a better life while you're alive. The ninth concept is life insurance should be bought to solve a financial problem. You should look at it like that as well. The agent should present it to like that. These are what you can get out of the policy. If you want to do this, you want to do that, you want to borrow off it to pay off this, you want to borrow off it to do this and that. That's what it should be looked at. Life insurance should be bought to solve a financial problem. Point blank. That's like I said, life insurance creates cash at a discount when you need it. You never know when you need it. Like those curveballs, you never know. You don't know if you're going to live today. We could be here today, gone tomorrow, as they say, right? The 10th concept is that life insurance pays dividends. Pay dividends, use them to buy insurance and to buy more insurance and expand your coverage. Say if you get life insurance policy with a mutual company, all mutual companies pay a dividend to the policyholders. That's like an incentive for having a policy with them. They do it annually, whatever you design it or however you set it up. You can use it to pay into the premium, which is called paid up additions. You may add and say, let me use I don't want to just take the dividends and put it in my pocket. I want to pay it towards my insurance so I can get more insurance, and that expands the coverage. At the same time, it increases the cash value too. So you use it for that, you can get more out of the policy. So that's what it's about. Buying in life insurance to get more out of the policy, just not just with the death benefit, other things that you, or the riders or this, and you get accelerated benefit if if you get terminally ill. That's one of the benefits. Most carriers, that some of them come for free. You get accelerated benefit, like say if you get sick and can't work no more, you can take like 2/3 of the benefit out and live off it if you get critically ill. That's one of the benefits, and that's one of the benefits that you want to look into when you speak and sit down with an agent. You want to make sure that you get all of those benefits. You want to make sure that they go over these 10 concepts, because life insurance creates cash at a discount when you need it. That's all life insurance does. That's how you should look at it. That's how it should be presented to you. We've been taught that throughout the years, life insurance, all it does is you pay a premium and you get a death benefit and you give it to somebody when you die, a beneficiary. No, I'm here to let you know that it's not just for death benefit. Look at it from all these 10 concepts, and I'm going to recap. Don't just buy life insurance, buy what it can do. 2, pinpoint a problem. The agent should pinpoint a problem and design the policy around the problem. Then he should sit down with you, create ideas for the problem. 4, you pay pennies to get dollars. That's what it should be designed to do. 5, access to discounted dollars that's tax-free. That should be also designed and let you know that's what you got access to when you pay the premium. Also, you have living benefits. Like I said, pay the college tuition. You can pay off your student loan debt. You can pay off your credit debt, any debt you got, whatever you want to use it. That's the living benefit you enjoy while paying in the premium. Also, the 7th concept, buy contracts that guarantee discounted dollars. That's a contract between you and the carrier. Your premium gives you access to dollars, and that's the contract and the promise. As long as you pay the premium and you go and you adhere to the terms and conditions. 8th, life insurance is to ensure you have a better life. That's all it should be. You should look at it like that. Life insurance should be bought to solve a financial problem. You should buy it to not just for other things, but if you have a problem, financial problem, you need quick access to money that's tax-free, you should look at it as like that, and you should buy for that reason as well. 10th, if you're with a mutual company and they pay dividends, use them to buy more insurance to expand your coverage so you can get more coverage and more cash value. So those are the 10 concepts that should be addressed when you look to buy life insurance, and your agent or financial advisor, whoever you sit down with from whatever carrier. These are the 10 concepts that you should be addressed when you buy. Don't just think of it as a death benefit. Life insurance does more than that, than just a death benefit. It gives you all of these 10 concepts. And if it's addressed and designed like that, you'll see the benefit, and most people won't be reluctant to get life insurance based on the misconceptions that life insurance is expensive, and it's not. It's not expensive when you look at it. It just depends on what you're trying to do and how much you need. And it also has to, you have to have a budget. And I got some concepts that I can share with people that if they're looking for extra money to put in a life insurance policy, I got a concept and I got a technique and a strategy that I can show all of you, my listening viewers, on how you could get an extra couple of $100 to buy life insurance if you think it's inexpensive. And if anybody wants to know about that concept, reach out to me, DM me, contact me, share this video, reach out to me. We can sit down and talk. I can help you. If you need help with a policy, I can help you design it using these 10 concepts. And let me know. And anybody got concepts, just share the video and share. And with that, I hope to see you guys on my next video, and have a great day.